Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with Belle. So how are you doing, guys? I know you are doing awesome, right? Yep. Okay, so I want to say thank you to everybody new and new subscribers. I really appreciate you. And if this is your first time of tuning to my channel, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please pause the video, click on the subscription button, notification bell, so that you can get more updates from time with Belle. Okay guys, so we are going to do a review on water wave hair from Bileaf on Amazon. Okay, so guys, I got this hair on Amazon for $17.99. okay, 17 and not even up to $19, guys. And it's really affordable. Okay, so I mean, let's see. Okay guys, so this is the package that came. Really nice package. Bileaf water wave headband. Okay, I mean, no glue, nothing. The headband. So it came with the headband. Yeah, the headband, and it came with a wig cap. So I think that's it. Oh guys, so this is the hair. What it was in. So this is also another net that is protecting the hair. So this is the hair. This is how it looks like. And so it has about 4 pins, which makes it, I mean, well tagged. And it has the strap, has adjustment, the size, so that it doesn't fall. Okay, it's really nice. Okay, let's try it on. Okay guys, so this is the hair. Personally, I think the hair is, I mean, it's really beautiful with a wave. So this is water waves. Okay, so yeah, so I mean, you want to always use a wide tooth comb. Okay, so it doesn't shred or something. Yeah, so with a wide comb, it makes it easy to detangle. Okay, yeah, so I think this is beautiful. Looks like, I mean, your own, kind of like your own wavy hair. Yeah. And you can also go with any kind of headband. Okay, you don't have to necessarily use the same headband. Okay. So I mean, you can use any different kinds of headband that you want, so you can always change the color of the headband occasionally. Okay, just match it with your dress or your bag. Yeah, so it makes it easy. Okay. Yeah, so what do you think? I think this is affordable. and I'm going to put their link below so that you can easily make a purchase from Bileaf store on Amazon. Okay, it's really nice. I mean, you can see it's really nice. Like the texture has a nice texture. Okay, and kind of like what is a water wave. Okay, so I mean, you will not go wrong on how you style it. Yep. Oh, nice. I think it's cute and affordable and it's comfortable, even though it's 24-inch, but it's not really like really long or something. Yeah, so yep. Okay guys, so want to get some. Okay, yep. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from Time with Belle, and I will see you next time. Bye and peace out.